Hello everyone, and welcome to episode 4 of this short 5-video series about how to do keyword research with Helium10. Now, in the last episode, I demonstrated how you want to examine page 1 of each of the keyword phrases that were yielded from our Cerebro search result from our competition, and how you analyse each page 1 search result so that you can stand out from your competition and claim your place in the market. Now, in this episode, I'm going to demonstrate a tool called Magnet. So I'm going to dive it into the laptop and I'll see you on the inside. Now, let's move away from this page 1 search result and head over to Magnet. And I have this open from before. If you don't remember episode 1, you just go to Tools and then Magnet is here under Keyword Research. But now, I'm just going to explain what this tool does and the power of it. Now, the differences between Cerebro and Magnet is, with Cerebro, you extract keywords from a specific product using the ASIN. But with Magnet, you simply type any keyword phrase in and then it will give you the search volume of that keyword, and it will also pull up all the relevant keywords to that keyword. And this takes things a step further from Cerebro, as with Cerebro you are limited on the search results based off the competition's ASIN that you have used, whereas with Magnet it shows you the keywords from the entire Amazon database. So let's demonstrate this now. I'm going to head over to Cerebro and I'm going to put in Crocs Women's, as this was the top keyword search phrase that we extracted from the competition. So now let's head back over to Magnet, paste this in. Now I will click Get Keywords. Okay, and now to confirm what I was saying, as you can see here, it has pulled up Crocs Women's and the search volume here matches the search volume on Cerebro. So you can see that the information is accurate, except now it is just giving us the information for the individual keyword phrase. And if I scroll down here, you can see this has pulled up 11,678 keywords, which is far greater than the keywords that we pulled up from Cerebro. So what we can do now is we will navigate to search volume and click on this. Again, filter the search results from highest to lowest search volume based off how many people are searching for each of these keyword phrases every single month. And let's have a look at this. Crocs Women's is now actually only the 3rd keyword search phrase, whereas with the competition's keyword search phrase, it was the 1st. And if you look here, the word Crocs by itself actually has 548,486 people searching for this keyword every single month. Now, granted, this is only a single word, and I know that in Cerebro I did state that we want our keyword search phrases to be 2 or more, but then when using Magnet, this rule no longer applies, because when extracting the information from the competition, you want there to be 2 or more phrases, as it's more accurate to target those keywords when you're trying to rank your product. However, when you want to just do an overall keyword search, it's better to just look at every single keyword that's available using Magnet. And Magnet not only does that, it will also pull up keywords that the competition aren't ranking for. A better example is this: women's sandals. Now, they're not Crocs, but obviously it's similar to Crocs, but then that has a whopping 384,000 people searching for that keyword phrase every single month. And now again, this is all just for example purposes, but when you're doing your keyword research for your own products, this is the mindset that you need to be in. And this is why it's worth using Magnet as well as Cerebro, because Cerebro did not pull up women's sandals, and now that is potentially 384,000 people every single month that you've been missing out on if you didn't do the Magnet search as well as the Cerebro search. So you can see the power of having both of these tools and fusing them together so that you can do more in-depth keyword research rather than only relying on the keyword search results from your competition. So spend some time going through these magnet results that have come up, and you will start to see there's a lot of keywords that were not showing on Cerebro. And now obviously not all of these keywords are going to be ones that you want to be ranking for, but that's where you need to spend time doing your own research and use what logically makes sense for your product, as the mindset is that you want to be targeting keywords that are more relevant to your product, but then also you want to be looking for keywords in this magnet search result that your competition are missing out on, and that is your sweet spot. Because obviously here there's a lot of keywords that we probably don't want to use, but that's where you just need to use your own initiative and spend time just going through the search results and comparing Cerebro to Magnet and seeing what your competition has and what they don't, and also making sure that it's relevant to your product. So that's about it for episode 4, and now I'm going to round up this short video series in episode 5, and I'm going to demonstrate to you how these keyword phrases actually rank on Google. And this is something that you need to be aware of, as Amazon actually ranks at the top of Google for most of these keyword searches. So once you understand Amazon, you essentially understand the entire internet. Here at Freedom Pass, we want to help you become a success for as small of an upfront cost as possible. So we have partnered with Helium10, and if you click the link in the description, you can use the code FreedomPass10 for 10% off forever. Or if you use the code FreedomPass20, you can get 20% off for the first 6 months. Unlock the power of Helium10 at a fraction of the cost. And be sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more information like this. So I'll see you in the next one.